A normal Wednesday morning in South Delhi suddenly turned into a nightmare. Thick black smoke filled the sky above Malviya Nagar as flames rapidly engulfed a building housing a restaurant on the ground floor and a hotel above it. At least 21 people lost their lives and dozens were injured, and disturbing visuals of people hanging from windows and jumping from upper floors shocked the nation. But as investigators began examining the scene, an even bigger question emerged. Was this simply an accident or a disaster waiting to happen? I am Ritika Rajput and this is what's happening. The fire broke out on the morning of June 3rd at Flourish Stay B&B in Hauz Rani area of Malviya Nagar. According to officials, emergency calls were received in the morning and multiple fire engines were rushed to the location. Rescue teams battled intense flame, evacuating trapped guests and staff. More than 40 people were rescued and taken to nearby hospitals for treatment. Eyewitnesses described scenes of panic as smoke rapidly spread through the building. Several people were reportedly trapped on upper floors with no safe way out. Some were seen climbing onto terraces while others jumped from windows in desperate attempts to escape the fire. Locals reportedly used mattresses and blankets to help cushion some of the falls. By the end of the rescue operation, authorities confirmed 21 deaths and numerous injuries, making it one of the severe disasters in city in recent years. One of the most shocking aspects of this tragedy was the number of foreign nationals among the victims. Officials confirmed that many of those who died were foreign visitors staying at the hotel. Reports indicate victims included nationals from countries such as Bangladesh, Nigeria, Mozambique, Liberia, Afghanistan, and several African nations. Many had reportedly come to India for medical treatment, business, or travel purposes. Families across multiple countries suddenly found themselves mourning loved ones lost thousands of kilometers from home. Prime Minister Narendra Modi expressed condolences and announced compensation for the families of those killed in the accident. As rescue operations ended, investigators began examining why the death toll was so high, and what they reportedly found sparked serious concerns. According to initial investigations, the hotel allegedly did not possess the required fire safety clearance or no objection certificate, commonly known as fire NOC. Authorities also found that the property was originally licensed for a small bed and breakfast establishment with permission for only a limited amount of rooms. However, the report suggests it was operating far more rooms than originally approved. Investigators are now examining whether additional floors and rooms were added with proper permissions or not. Another major concern involves the building evacuation route. Reports indicate there was effectively single entry and exit point, severely limiting escape options once smoke and flames spread through the structure. Investigators also found allegations that the terrace exit was locked, preventing trapped occupants from accessing another possible escape route. Experts often point out that in many fire incidents, smoke inhalation, not flames themselves, become the biggest killer. When escape routes are blocked, even a small fire can quickly turn deadly. And that's exactly why these findings are receiving intense scrutiny. The investigation has now moved into a legal phase. Delhi police has registered a case including charges related to culpable homicide. Property owner Lavkesh Bajaj has been detained for questioning. Authorities are also investigating licensing, construction approvals, and fire safety compliance. Meanwhile, Delhi government officials have promised strict action against those found guilty. The tragedy has also prompted calls for a large-scale inspections of hotels, guest houses, and similar establishments across the city to ensure compliance with fire safety norms. For many, the Malviya Nagar fire was not just a story about one building. It has become a story about safety regulations, enforcement failures, and ignoring the consequence of warning signs. 21 lives were lost. Families have been shattered. And now investigators must determine whether this tragedy was unavoidable or whether better safety measures could have saved the lives. As Delhi began city-wide review of fire safety standard, one question remains. How many more tragedies will it take before safety rules are treated as non-negotiable? Tell us in the comments how you think this tragedy could have been averted. For more updates on this and other news, follow and subscribe to Primetime India.